This is a recording about how to generate price lists from our Navision. First is to export an Excel file in any moment from Navision and combine it. We need text, additional text, and the products. So first we are going to export these two files from Navision. We select the brands. We select that it will be yes on Tarifa PDF Distribución Italia, o Tarifa PDF Adagio Distribución, o Tarifa PDF Letusa, and so on. Once we have the products one, we need to take out the VAT. So we create a new column with the prices without VAT. We need this price to be with only 2 digits, so it is important to use the function redondear. Now we're going to do the same for the additional text. And we need also to put the reference in the same format as the other file, because we're going to do a search. Now we convert this as a text so they can find the other one. This is something we have to do while IT people is not creating one file with all the information. But the good thing is that we can generate this file in any moment. Just we do a change in Navision and we can export the file to see if everything is okay in terms of description, price, order, series de marca, everything. The only problem is that we will have also the tags for the HTML. It is very important that we record the text, the additional text, as an Excel file, so we can use the function search. And also, it is very important that at the end we save the file as an CSV file, because this way we will not have a lot of digits on the calculation we have done. It can be a little bit tricky, but once you do 2 or 3 times, then it's super easy. Now we are going to do the function for search the text. I use this to create, because otherwise the formula is not recognized in the cell, so I put just a number and then you put the formula again and it recognizes it. Now that everything is done, we recorded or we saved the file as a CSV. Because this is the one we are going to use on Publisher. It says that it will only record one sheet, but this is okay because it's the one we are going to use it. When we open the Publisher, it says if we want to use the same file, if we record always the file with the same name, then we don't have to do anything else, not to change the source or anything. Now it was filtered for some other brand, so I have to unfilter this. I show everything, and then I have here all the data. Now I have to specify the order, which should be first serie de marca and second orden of tarifa, and select the brand I want to list. In this case I use Lanikai, and in some seconds I have all the price list. I put the logo, if I want to change the brand, I select another one, because here I have done this with some brands. I could do only with ones or with several. Of course, if we do with several, we have to do it brand by brand, because if we do it with several, it will order by serie de marca. But we could use also the order of brand, so yes, it can be done. So as I was saying, we put the logo, we will solve the issue of the images, because the images are all cut, but we have to resize all of them, use another source, but this is something we will solve step by step. Now it's just to have something to present, even if it's far from ideal, but it's something. And we are generating now. Some seconds, and we have the price list generated in PDF. This is the front page. It's from another brand, but it's just an example. So here you have the price list. These images that are shown as a shadow are because the zoom is too small. If I zoom out at 75 or 100, then it's perfect. We don't need anything else. So once we have this, we send to Lola, and she puts the front page. She edits a little bit the end of the page because maybe there's another square empty, and then it's done. We have a price list. Thank you.